Want to make money while you sleep? Let's build an AI-powered passive income stream. Even if you're just starting out, you can do this. You don't need any tech experience. First, choose a digital product that solves a real problem. It could be an ebook, a Notion template, or even a mini course. The goal is to create something that people want and need so that you can sell it over and over again without having to create new content every single time. For example, you could create a template for students that helps them organize their notes and study more effectively. Or you could create an ebook that teaches people how to use Notion to build their dream life. Or you could create a mini course that shows people how to start a business. The key is to choose something that you're passionate about and that you know your audience will love. Once you have that, you can start building your digital product business. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, outline your product, and write full content. You don't need to be a writer. You don't even need to be a thinker. All you need to do is guide the AI and it will handle the rest. Tell it what type of post you want to write, e.g., a listicle, a how-to, a case study, a personal story, and it will spit you out a full-fledged article in seconds. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to edit and proofread your work. Ask it to summarize your post, then ask it to edit for clarity, conciseness, and tone. And finally, ask it to proofread for grammar and spelling errors, and just like that, you have your first post written by AI in under 5 minutes. And you can do this as many times as you want. So you've got your idea, you've done your research, you've interviewed experts, you've written the content, you've got the images, you've edited everything, but now you need to get it to your audience. And the best way to do that is through a landing page. Canva is perfect for creating books and templates. You can easily upload your content, design a beautiful cover, add your logo, your branding, and then download it as a PDF. Share that PDF with your audience every week for 7 days. Then take a look at the analytics, see how many people have downloaded it, and then send those people a follow-up email with more information about your product or service. Notion is amazing for creating workspaces or digital planners. You can easily set up a workspace with different sections for each week or month. You can add in different tools and templates and then share that workspace with your audience every week for 7 days. Then take a look at the analytics, see how many people have engaged with your workspace, and then send those people a follow-up email with more information about your product or service. And if you're wondering how to create a landing page, it's super easy. That's a great idea, but how do I get paid? Now, list your product on Gumroad, Ko-fi, or Etsy. These platforms handle payments, file delivery, and even email collection. All you need to do is set up your product page, choose a price, and you're good to go. You can share this link with anyone. They'll handle the rest. It's completely free. Gumroad is great for digital products like ebooks, courses, and Notion templates. Ko-fi is perfect for small creators just getting started. And Etsy is a marketplace with a built-in audience of over 200 million people, so it's a no-brainer. In addition to these 3, there are other platforms that you can use to sell your digital products. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your business goals and target audience. So, what are you selling today? Share in the comments below. Finally, use tools like Copy, AI, or ChatGPT to write social media captions, product descriptions, and email promos, fast and polished. Here's how it works. You tell the AI what you want to write about. For example, I asked it to write a social media caption for an online store that sells phone cases made out of real marble. And this is what it came up with. It's actually a really good start. You could use this as is or tweak it a bit to make it your own. You can also use these tools to write product descriptions or even email promos for your business. For example, I asked it to write an email promo for a new skincare product, and this is what it came up with. Again, you could use this as is or tweak it to fit your brand's voice and style. So what are you waiting for? Try it out today and see how much time and effort you can save. This is how creators are using AI to earn while they sleep. So this person, for example, has created a course using an AI tool that lets you input your knowledge into an AI chat bot. And then what the AI will do is it will use that knowledge to answer questions that people have asked in a forum. And then once the AI has answered those questions, it will take the top answers and it will create a course out of it. So this person was able to upload a course with 40 lessons in just 10 minutes. That's insane. And the best part about it is that once you create the course, you can put it on autopilot and you can earn commissions while you sleep. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, you need to subscribe to our channel where we are posting step-by-step guides, tools, and tips on how to make money with AI. So go ahead and click the subscribe button right now.